You'll find ColorGradr in the third-party tab in Vegas. Simply drag onto a segment and then press Fix. You can see that you can enable the plugin and also mute it on and off. You can even adjust the hue strength control if you want to move the fixed color even further away from its original bias. You can also apply our preloaded or your own LUTs or cubes using this fly-down menu, and then adjust the opacity for those looks. You can even save the fix as a LUT to be used in other systems or on whole sections of a timeline, so you don't have to use the plugin on every shot. Just press Fix, tweak the result if needed, and then either copy and paste that onto other shots or save the result as a LUT to be used in your workflow. Remember, in Vegas, you can add additional third-party effects, and you may find that you get an even better result by adding more and more additional fixes.